isn't much, but I'll take this because it has brass on the ends. Not much brass, but brass is brass, but see it? Okay, I'm not gonna mess with it. So what I did, guys, left my damn cutters at the storage unit. Maybe this just comes right out. There we go. Crap. Can't believe I did that. Oh. Yep. I don't have a motor. Oh, it's got a battery too. Sweet. That's metal. A lot of it. Screw, boss. Come on. There's a lot of those guys. I wonder if that... Yep. Keep a magnet back there. I don't have one. There's this big long piece too, but oh, there is a lot of it. I'm trying to keep this all in one shot. I'm not going to be able to fit that big piece. I don't even want to attempt it. I don't want to tie it down because that is way longer than my van, so I'll take this stuff. Yeah, I don't want to attempt it, guys. I got a garbage truck coming down the street here. I want to check this area before they get through it, so I'm gonna keep moving. Got what I wanted. Oh man, I'm telling you, tax time's coming. I'm getting a different vehicle than this. I've had it. Yeah, I don't want the door. It's too much glass. I'll take this stuff. That's too much glass for me, guys. But I'll add to my extruded pile at the storage unit with this stuff. Those are all aluminum cans. Hope they don't mind. Everything is just cans. Yeah. It's not even probably a pound and a half, but take them. It's only a baby one, but I'll take it. Might even be just a toaster oven, I don't know. Looks like a microwave. Yeah, that's a baby one. Come on. How do you... I don't want this. I'll take that. Alright. It's gonna slide anyway, so I'm just gonna put it right here for now. There we go. Oh, it's duct tape on the water heater, I thought. What is that? There's no door midway up a water heater. Seeing something I like there that's pretty much non-scrap related, but we'll see. Maybe a couple of somethings. I don't want this, but I don't really want this either, but this tote. This is kind of too big. Huh. Thought I heard a ghost. Yeah, I don't want... I'll take these two. No, I don't want this. I really don't. It's too big. But I'll take this. Nice Rubbermaid. I don't need a lid. But tote. That is sweet. That's what you call curb shopping. Alright. I like free. What's this? You know what? I'm nearing the end of my run. I got room for it. Well, I'm nearing the end of the Racine section. I'm pretty sure I got room for that. I'll take it. I'm getting as many electronics as I can, guys, but you know as well as I do, you take what the street offers. I haven't been to the scrapyard in over a week. So I don't know what the prices are right now. Hey, puppy. It's all right, puppy. It's okay. It's okay. So I don't know what the prices are right now. Mr. Sizemore, Donald, he said that he heard they were going up in his area. Well, I don't know that, if it has here or not. So, you gotta stay there, my friend. I think it's just coax, but I saw it sticking out. I want to go check. Well, it's not even that, it's baling twine. That part of a cat scratch unit. God. I am loath to do this, but because there's nothing to this. How do I get this off here? Come on. You know what? The hell with that. All I want is this. Seriously. Let's see if I can get it. Just me pocket knife. Come. Hell of a lot easier if I can grip it. There we go. Cord I'll take. This I don't want. Hey. It doesn't matter if it's wound up like that or not. Yeah. Just throw it in the back with the other stuff. A little something more. Oh. Ooh. Oh, I see a dish over there. This happens to me all the time. That's too light. Don't want to mess with it. Don't want light steel. But I will take aluminum all day long. yeah. Not bad. Oh, yeah. Well, I had a blast, guys. Thank you for coming along. Have a great day, guys.